selects all of the polygons on the base and delete. And now you'll see that it's an open-ended surface there. It has no polygon in the center. Now we'll come out of sub-object selection and we'll give it a shell modifier. And we're going to give it a shell modifier of about 0.3, maybe a bit bigger. Oh, see what's happened here? We had a few polygons selected at the back, I believe. No, we didn't. Our shell's just too small. So go a bit bigger on the shell. Oh, and we want the shell to be on the inner amount, not the outer. So reset the outer to 0, and the inner amount we're going to select, wind it in. Now I'm not 100% sure why that's happening at the back there, but we'll sort that out. Let's get rid of the shell modifier, and we'll make sure, first of all, we'll make sure our that's on 0.5, should be fine. We'll go to a front view. We'll straighten this back out so that it's completely flush 90 degrees, and we'll try that operation again. We'll give it a edit poly. We'll select all of these polys down the bottom here, and then we'll hold Alt and deselect these ones up the side, and that will select everything at the base. We're going to delete, and then we should be able to put a shell modifier on that now. Yeah, and that's worked nicely. So the inner shell is probably about 0.4, and we'll just unhide the eye to see how that's working. We can go a bit bigger and probably go, keep winding it up until it sort of reaches the eye there, and that's fine. And you can see straight away we've gotten rid of that problem. It cuts into the cornea, but that's fine because that's not going to be visible, but it doesn't show this convex iris shape that we've cut into the eyeball. The fact that it's a solid eyelid is not showing through now, so that's working fine. You could always give it an extra segment on the edge here. If I bring up the wireframe, just give it an extra segment, just creates an extra segment around the edge, and that way if you wanted to, you could always put a mesh smooth on top of it, and that gives you a sort of a curved off eyelid there.